Lenny Rudo here for BoatUS Magazine. Today, we're going to follow up on our basic chart plotter video by doing a video on intermediate chart plotter use. Now, the first thing you need to know is how to make a route. A route is just a collection of waypoints, which allows you to navigate in a way other than a straight line. So you can go around, say, a point of land. Let's see how it's done. So let's start making a route. On this unit, it's as simple as touching the screen to start an initial waypoint, and then pressing New Route. Now, each time I touch the screen, it will make waypoints that take me on my route to get me to my ultimate destination. I can give the route a name, like the complex name 0001. Now, to get on our route, of course, we have to navigate to it. So we simply press Navigate Route 001. Now, let's say I've navigated my route and I'm getting a little hungry. Would you believe this chart plotter right here can help me get lunch? Yup, even that info's in here. If I say want to go to Annapolis for lunch, all I have to do is zoom in on Annapolis and these little icons pop up. I put the cursor on one. It tells me that's Chesapeake Harbor Marina, but I don't know if Chesapeake Harbor Marina has a restaurant. Let's see. I can go to Info, press on it, look at the services. They have provisions, a sewer pump out, a slipway, electricity. No lunch. Well, I can back right out of there, look at the next icon, and hey, Sam's Waterfront Cafe. I'm pretty sure they have lunch. Now, wait a sec. My boat has a deep draft, and before I can figure out if I can get to the cafe, I need to know what the tide is. Tide and current information is also in virtually every chart plotter these days. On this chart plotter, all I have to do is pull up the main menu and I get right here. Look at that, tides. Here's my tide and current chart, and you can see it names where this tidal station is. Thomas Point Shoal Light. The GPS knows exactly where I am, so it's picking out the closest tidal station to give me my data from. Well, I don't know about you folks, but I'm ready for some lunch. Meanwhile, don't forget to head over to BoatUSMag.com, check out our video channel, and be sure to leave us some comments in the section below and let us know what other videos you would like to see.